Hey everyone! In today's video we will talk more about inequalities, but today I will explain how we will construct an inequality, and we will graph it, and also we will state a solution by using our graph. So first, let's start with this question. Here we have a woman is baking bread and cakes. So this woman, today we will be baking bread and cakes. She makes pea loaves. So I will write what we have. She wants to bake pea loaves and Q cakes. Okay. Pea loaves and Q cakes. Okay. She bakes at least 5 loaves and at least 2 cakes. What does the word at least means? This means that I want to bake, or the woman wants to bake at least 5. I want 5 and more. I don't want to bake 2 or 3. At least 5. The minimum number of loaves I want to bake today is 5. So my inequality will be P greater than or equal to 5. I don't want to bake less than 5. I want 5 and I can bake more. And also at least 2 cakes, the same thing. Q is greater than or equal to 2. But, we have a but, no more than 10 loaves and cakes altogether. We don't want more than 10 in total. So what does this mean in total? It means that P plus Q is less than or equal to 10. I don't want it to be more than 10. Like 10 is my maximum number of loaves and cake to bake. Now we will do the graphing part. So here is the y and here is my x. And there is no negative in this question. There is no negative loaves, negative cakes. Oh, sorry. This one, it will not be x and y. It will be P and Q. Here is my Q. No, this is the P and this is the Q. P loaves will be for the x-axis and Q cakes for the y-axis. Now I would just want to put the numbers here. 1, 2, 6, 7. I want them to reach 10. Okay. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want to make it longer. Okay, this is, we said the Q, 9 and 10. Okay. Now first, P greater than 5. We will draw P equal 5. Here is P, here is the 5. Equal, so no need for a dotted line. So P equal 5. Here we go. This is P equal 5. Next, Q equal 2. Here is the Q and this is Q equal 2. Here is the 2. Yeah. And now P plus Q equal 10. We said we'll take the P-intercept and Q-intercept. So if we put P0, Q will be 10. And if we put Q0, P will be 10. So we'll have 0, 10 and 10, 0. And we'll draw this line. Okay. It's not that perfect. Just imagine the 10 is here for now. And at the end of the video, you will see the good graph. Now we will shade the unwanted region. We want to keep the region that we want unshaded. So here P greater than 5. We want P greater than 5. So I will shade the less than 5. This is what I want to shade. The less than 5. Okay. The next one. We have Q. We want greater than 2. So I will shade less than 2. Okay. Now P plus Q, we want it less than 10. So let's take a point. Let's say here 10 and 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 is not less than 10. So this region I don't want. So what is left? This is the region that I want. The small triangle. Now I want to state one solution. How can I state one solution or give one solution for this? You will take any point you want in this triangle. You can say 5 loaves and 2 cakes. You can say 6 loaves and 3 cakes. Anything in this specific region. So my answer will be, for example, I want 7 and 3. So 7, the point 7, 3 is my answer, which means 7 loaves and 3 cakes. This is one solution for this example. There is many solutions. See, we have a triangle, so I can take, for example, the 9 and the 2, but not outside the triangle. If we take an point outside the triangle, this is not a solution. So I will do another example. Same thing. We will construct the inequalities. We will draw the graph and we will find a solution. Okay, let's do. Okay, now for this example, we have a shop sells large and small oranges. A girl buy L large oranges. We have L large oranges and S small oranges. She wants to buy small and large oranges. Okay, it's fine with me. So next, she buys at least 3. Okay, let's pay attention here. She buys at least 3, but fewer than 9 large oranges. We have here the large oranges. Okay, she wants to buy fewer than 9, which is less than 9. But she wants to buy at least 3, which means at least we said greater than or equal to 3. So my L value, my large oranges, are between 9 and 3. And now I will tell you how we will draw this. Okay, then next, she also buys fewer than 6 small oranges. Fewer than 6. It's S less than 6. Fewer than 6. She didn't mention at least 6. If she said at least, it will be greater than, right? But here she doesn't want to buy 6. She said fewer than 6. So 6 is not included. That's why I didn't put an equal sign. Next, the maximum number of oranges she needs to buy is 10. The maximum is 10. So L plus S is less than or equal 10. It's the same as the cake. No more than 10. Okay, now we have the 3 inequalities. We want to draw them. But first, here, in this one, we will draw first L greater than or equal 3, and we will draw L less than 9. We will draw these two, and so that we can find the answer. Okay. So let's start doing it. Okay, I hope it will fit right here. So the L will be x-axis, the S will be the y-axis. We want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You will find a neat one at the end of the video, because here it's not that good. Okay, 10. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now we will draw first L greater than or equal to 3. Here is the 3. We will draw a line. This is for L equal 3. Now L equal 9. We will do the same thing. But here there is no unequal sign. So what we will do? We will do a dotted line. We need to be careful of this dotted line. Okay. So here we will have a dotted line. Okay, it's not that straight. I'm sorry. Okay, L equal 9. Now, S less than 6. Also, it's not with an equal. So we will do a dotted line. This is S equal 6. Okay. Now L plus S is less than 10, the same. 0, 10, and 10, 0. It's the same as the before question. This is, where shall I put it? Okay, here, L plus S equal 10. I'm sorry for all this disturbance, but you will find a neat, good work at the end of this video. Now, all we have to do is shade. So here we have the L. We want greater than 3. So the less than part, I don't want it. Okay. Now the negative part, I said it's cancelled out. Because, of course, there is no a negative number of oranges. So this is the shaded part. Okay, now L, we want it less than 9. So I will shade L greater than 9. Now S less than 6. I want less than 6. I want to shade greater than 6. L plus S less than 10. So here if we take 8 and 5, it will be of course greater than 10. So this region will go. This shape will be what I want. The region that I want. It's not a triangle. I don't know. It's a shape, but not a triangle. Now, any point inside this purple region will be my solution. For example, 6 and 3. But here, if I take 4 and 6, this is wrong because 6 is not included. But I can take 6 and, for example, here maybe 4.5. So my solution will be, let's take 7 and 2. 7 and 2. This means 7 large oranges and 2 small oranges. And of course, these two numbers will satisfy both my 3 inequalities. I want to show you how this will do. 7 large oranges. 7 is greater than 3, less than 9. So it's true for this one. Now 2 small oranges. It's less than 6. It's also true. L plus S is less than 10. 7 plus 2. It's 9. It's less than 10. So my solution is in my region. It satisfies all my inequalities. This is my solution. So I did 2 examples like this one, and this is the last video I will talk about inequalities. I hope you understood this lesson very well, and if you have any question, any doubt of anything, please comment down below and I will see your comment and I will answer as fast as I can. So please like the video and subscribe for the channel, and thanks for watching.